Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you guys are doing amazing and having fun over there. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cute and small quilling flower which is really easy to create, and if you want to learn it step by step, so make sure that you watch this video till the end. And guys, if you want to learn different types of quilling flowers, so please go and check the video in my channel. I already have made a video on that. So guys, without wasting any single second, let's go. So guys, firstly I am taking here a 1/5 mm strip and just making a tight coil. Now we have to loose the coil like this. Now secure the ends of the coil with using glue and bend it like this. And now take a different color strip and wrap around the coil. And after wrapping it, secure the ends using glue. I have created one same more with the using same method, and now take one more strip and start making a tight coil. Now loose the coil again and secure the edges using glue. Now give it a teardrop shape. Now attach all the leaves together and place the teardrop shape in the middle of the leaf. Now take a other strip and wrap it around the leaves. Do it carefully and well. And now secure the ends using glue. So now it's done. I have created 4 more with the using same steps, and now I'm going to assemble the flower. So apply glue all over the leaves and paste them together like this. And now it's done. Now take quilling strip and paste it with another strip. Now paste one more strip. And now start making a tight coil using your quilling slot. secure the ends using glue. And tap it a bit inside and give it a dome shape. Put some glue inside it and spread it. And now take the flower and paste the tight coil in the middle of the flower. So guys, we are done. You can create as many flowers as you want to create. So guys, tell me in the comment section that how is it looking. So guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that I made this video a bit interesting for you and you found some help to this video. And guys, if you want to share your creativity with me, so please share on my Instagram, tag me, and I have given the link in the description box. And guys, if you really liked watching this video, so please give this video a big fatty thumbs up and subscribe to my channel guys if you haven't yet. And make sure that you click the bell icon as well for the latest updates. And guys, I'll meet you very soon with the next interesting topic. Until you keep slaying with your amazing work and have fun. Bye bye.